Hello. So how do we do with real estate and in rental properties? And what do we do when we want to screen our tenants? Well, the most important thing to do, you need to do a background check. Lots of website out there which allows you to do that. Make sure that once you have the background check, obviously when I say background check is you want to look for eviction, crime, and a credit score above 500-600. More on the eviction and the crime than the credit score, quite frankly. Then make sure that you have at least 3 months of past pay stubs, actual pay stubs, not letters from the boss. If you don't have the right tenant, you don't feel comfortable, bring them over the property, talk to them, see the kids, see the husband, see the wife, see the companion, whatever, see who they are. One thing that I would always do is I would always go and see when it's time to sign the lease to see where they live, to see what kind of condition they keep the place. See if they're in time. Take your time. Do not rush it, right? You're better off losing a month waiting for a tenant than rushing in, signing a tenant, getting him there, and then you realize it doesn't work. Now, to get them out, it takes a while. First, you got to go to court. You got to make an appointment. You got to get an appointment. So that's probably 1, 2 to 3 weeks sometimes. Then you go to court, and then they give them another extension, another 3 weeks. So you could be out before you know it. It could take you 2 months to get somebody out. So you need to take your time and be very thorough with the background check. And you want to make sure you see them filling out information. You need to call the previous landlord, see what happened, visit where they are, be as thorough as possible, as it is very important.